Before requesting a Safe Food for Canadians or SFC license through MyCFIA, visit inspection.gc.ca/safefood to determine if your business needs a license. On this page, you will find various tools and resources that you can use to determine licensing requirements under the Safe Food for Canadians regulations, or SFCR. In addition, information for importers, exporters, and domestic producers can also be found on the page. Once you've determined your SFCR requirements, visit inspection.gc.ca/mycfia to begin the process of requesting an SFC license. If you do not have a MyCFIA account yet, you will need to create one in order to request an SFC license. Click on Before you sign up to find out what documentation you need for the enrollment process. If you already have a MyCFIA account, select Sign In and choose your secure sign-in method, either through your online banking information or GC Key. If you selected Continue to GC Key, enter your username and password, then select Sign In. If you do not have a GC Key, you can register for one. After signing in, select Continue. In order to apply for an SFC license, you must request it on behalf of your business. Make sure you've selected the appropriate party profile at the top of the screen and hit Select. You are now presented with your party profile dashboard. To apply for the SFC license, you need to select New Service Request. Before submitting a service request, review your business information to ensure it's correct, and then go to the Application Type drop-down list. Select Safe Food for Canadians license application and move on to the next step. You will then need to review the SFC License Privacy Notice Statement. Once reviewed, select Accept. In the first section of the SFC license application, provide an application name that will help you identify this application from future ones. For example, you can include your location and the commodity type, then select Next Step. Make sure that the proper primary contact for this service request is selected and review the emergency contact information to check that it's valid. If you need to make any changes, you can modify this information in the Manage Party section of your dashboard. Then select Next Step. You will need to select your domestic and/or international licensable activities that apply to your business. Then select Next Step. On this screen, you must declare your international activities. In this example, we are exporting processed and shell eggs. Then select Next Step. Choose the establishment you wish to license by selecting the establishment name and clicking the right arrow. Once done, move on to Next Step. You now need to select the domestic activities for your establishment by clicking the link on the screen. In this example, we will select all applicable interprovincial trade activities under processed and shell eggs. Next, select Save. Once complete, review the information on the screen and select Next Step. Here, you must declare that your business has the necessary written preventive control plans, or PCPs, based on your licensable activities. In this example, we are declaring that we have written PCPs for both interprovincial trade and international export activities. Once complete, select Next Step. Review all information associated with your license application. If everything is correct, read the disclaimers and acknowledge that you have done so by clicking on each box at the bottom of the page. To complete your license application, select Submit. You have now completed your SFC license application. Select Proceed with Payment to complete the required payment information. Here you can review the total cost for the purchase of your SFC license. Select Proceed to payment. You can pay for your SFC license using any of the 3 available options. If your business has an account with the CFIA National Accounts Receivable Center, you will be asked to enter your on-account number. Once provided, the fee will be withdrawn and your application will be processed. If you select the online option, you can pay using a credit card or Interact. A pay window will open where you can input your card details. If you select Other, you will be forwarded on to the payment confirmation screen that will provide all necessary information for paying by electronic funds transfer, check, or cash. For this example, we've selected On Account as our payment option. Here you are presented with a payment confirmation screen where you can review and print the information. If everything looks okay, select Return to Application. On this screen, you can review your application. If payment is processed successfully, you will be automatically issued a Safe Food for Canadians license. Now that you've submitted and paid for your service request, you can go back to your party profile dashboard to track the status of your application. You will receive an email once your license is issued. To print it, go to the Issued Permission tab on your dashboard and select Print.